Okay, now we're back on the second floor and we're going upstairs. So here we go. Little linen closet right there. Linen closet. And bathroom. And then we're going to go around this way. And this is my office. And Dan and I's miscellaneous room. Again, everything is a mess, but and here's our mess.
Alright, maggots!
Our bedroom, couple windows.
Unpack it up there. Kylie, you want me to put a quarter in that thing? Or?
Big bathroom.
She went in the basement. So I grabbed her and she was about to go in the storage cave.
Okay, Gracie, please get the dishes around the house. Put them in the dishwasher. We got to start that puppy. Oh, okay.
Can I get one last?
Yes.
How can I give you a
There's the, oh look, it's gonna be on the video. Gabe getting a zit. Oh, I'm sorry.
Why are you video? You'll be ready in about 10 minutes.
Y'all, we're leaving. Daddy's getting us commanding.
Okay. Get on!
Mom,
You wanna wave at the camera?
hi camera.
Yep.
Mom, can I have my medicine?
Yes.
Why are you videotaping?
I'm gonna show the house to everybody. Kylie has a monster room.
Yeah, this is my big,
Storage right there.
dirty room.
Storage right there. Big closet. So Kylie, you get to say bye, and then I'm turning it off.